Alright, good afternoon everybody. Tonight we are doing topic 3-9, which is using multiplication facts to find division facts. So basically we're using our fact families and our knowledge of multiplying to help us divide. Okay, so to go ahead and start out here, our first problem on the practice side is 12 divided by 3. Now, to do the inverse of that, which means that we do the opposite of divide is multiply. Okay, so using our fact families, if we already have a 12 and a 3, we know that whatever the multiplying problem is, it will be something times 3 equals 12. Okay, so now we have to use our multiplication knowledge to help us figure out what times 3 equals 12. And in our class, I don't know about other classes, but in our class we have learned that 1, 2, 3, 4, I love math, let's do some more, and so that would be 4. Sorry for other kids that are not in my class, that didn't make sense to you, but my kids understand that. But if you don't know your multiplication facts, you have a couple other options. You can either pull out a multiplication table and use that, or you can draw it out like we did yesterday for homework. So again, if you did not know that 4 times 3 equals 12, you could have gone and drawn groups of 3. 2 groups of 3 would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We'll do another group of 3, 7, 8, 9, and another group of 3, 10, 11, and 12. So how many groups did we have? We had 4 groups. So that's the other way we can solve it. But the answer here would be 4. Let me do one more for you, and then I'll set you loose on your homework. The next one here, we'll just skip over here to number 7, and that is 63 divided by 9. Okay, if we do the inverse, which is multiply, okay, then we know that 9, because we're using our fact family knowledge, 9 times something is going to have to equal 63. All right, now if you use your 9's knowledge, there's a few different ways you can do this problem. And one of those ways is to solve your 9's. If you put your hands out, 9 times 4, you count out 1, 2, 3, 4. You put that finger down, and the answer is 36. Because you have 3 on the left side, 6 on the right side of the finger you put down. Okay, so that's one of the ways you remember your 9's. I'm sure that most of you learned that in 3rd grade. But going back to our problem here now, our problem was 9 times blank equals 63. Well, we can use that same strategy that we just did, and we can figure it out. If we're going to have 63, then we put this finger down. That way we have 6 and 3. 63. Well, what finger did I put down? I put down the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7th finger went down. So the answer there is going to be 7. Okay, 9 times 7 is 63. And because 9 times 7 is 63, then 63 divided by 9 equals 7. Let me do one more with you, and then we'll be done, and you guys can go ahead and do the rest on your own. I will go ahead and do I'll do an easy one for you, number 5. Okay, number 5. 6 divided by 2 equals blank. Well, the multiplication problem would be 2 times blank equals 6. So what do we have to multiply 2 by to get 6? Well, we can count by 2's. 2, 4, 6. What did we multiply it by? 3. So 2 times 3 is 6. 6 divided by 2 is 3. Good luck on your homework tonight. You guys are smart. You can do this. Have a good night.